Woodworking Plans Review. Ted's Woodworking Plans is the ultimate guide for learning how to build anything you want for a fraction of the cost of hiring a professional to follow a similar plan. It's hailed as the world's largest collection of woodworking plans, complete with over 16,000 step-by-step plans for every project imaginable. Whether you're looking to build furniture, fences, cabinets, a cabin, benches, toys, or anything made out of wood, you can find the complete guide for it in this program. Click the first link below to get TedsWoodworking for a discounted price now from the official website. No fancy equipment is needed and you don't need any prior woodworking experience or access to a woodworking studio. Ted's Woodworking Plans simplifies each step to ensure that anyone can build anything they want on a budget. So, if you're tired of paying over $800 to hire a contractor plus the cost of materials, then it's time to learn some new skills and start building. Ted's Woodworking Plans Review. What is Ted's Woodworking Plans? The average cost to hire a carpenter is $250 minus $850, with most charging hourly. That's not even including the cost of materials or equipment rental. Unfortunately, it's a price most people think they can't afford because they don't have the plans or skills needed to build their project. But what if all the woodworking plans used by professional carpenters were broken down into simplified steps so that anyone could follow them? Well, that's precisely what Ted's Woodworking Plans is. Click the first link below to get TedsWoodworking for a discounted price now from the official website. With this program, you receive over 16,000 woodworking plans for everything you can think of. It is hailed as the world's largest collection of woodworking plans. But it's much more than that. Ted's Woodworking Plans is an online program that simplifies the steps and equipment used to ensure that anyone can build whatever it is they want with no prior experience needed. Every plan comes with detailed, step-by-step instructions, accurate dimensions, diagrams, photos, and material and tool lists so everyone and anyone can understand the steps to building their item. As for what you can build, the options are endless. You'll find plans for thousands of different items in this program, such as furniture, games, cabins, sheds, fences, decor items, signs, bird feeders, crafts, you name it. It really is the world's largest collection of woodworking plans. Click the first link below to get TedsWoodworking for a discounted price now from the official website. Now, I'll get into the details in just a moment, but first, it's worth mentioning that everything is online. You don't have to worry about lugging around a massive book of 16,000 woodworking plans. Instead, you just sign in and download the plans you want to build right onto your smartphone, tablet, laptop, or desktop computer. This makes it easy to pick up the materials needed, especially if you have never shopped for these types of items before, as you can show the worker the items you need right on your tech device. It also makes it super convenient to build wherever you want, whether it's in your backyard one day or garage the next. And since everything is online, you receive immediate access as soon as you purchase. So, if you need an immediate fix for something in your home or are eager to try something new, you can get started right away. Click the first link below to get TedsWoodworking for a discounted price now from the official website. A really awesome thing is that you can do so risk-free, as the program comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. This gives you 2 months to see just how easy it is to follow these woodworking plans. They're so easy you'll even be able to build several items before the 60-day period is up. So, you have nothing to lose, and it sure beats forking over $800 for a contractor to follow the exact steps that are in this program. The digital version also comes with. Click the first link below to get TedsWoodworking for a discounted price now from the official website. Lifetime access to everything, free updates to all plans, VIP newsletter of free plans, techniques, guides, etc. Free monthly bonuses if you would prefer a physical version of the program. There are 2 options for you as well. The first is a single DVD that costs $20. It does not include any extras. The second option is a 2 DVD edition, which comes with all of the upgrades and additional bonuses. VIP Deluxe Edition, the Handy Dad Package, the Ultimate Woodworking Compendium. All options are great, and it really comes down to what you prefer. However, having everything right on your tech devices does come with undeniable convenience and flexibility. Click the first link below to get TedsWoodworking for a discounted price now from the official website. Who created Ted's Woodworking Plans? The author of Ted's Woodworking Plans is Ted McGrath, a certified master woodworker, trainer, member, and author of the Architectural Woodwork Institute (AWI). He has several years under his belt working as a professional carpenter and master woodworker, and all of his experience and plans are what you find in this program. It took him over 20 years to simplify and put together so that anyone can build even without prior experience. What you'll learn in Ted's Woodworking Plans. Ted's Woodworking Plans is a comprehensive collection of what is known as the world's largest collection of woodworking plans. But it's much more than that. Every plan has been simplified into easy-to-understand terms and instructions, using basic building tools and materials to ensure that everyone can build whatever they want on their own. Even if you've never built a thing in your life, these plans are easy to follow and most importantly, to execute. Click the first link below to get TedsWoodworking for a discounted price now from the official website. In addition to the simplified process, every plan in this program comes with detailed, step-by-step instructions, pictures, accurate measurements, diagrams, and material and tool lists to make the process even easier. Finding the project you want to build is also easy. Here's a look at the different sections, along with some examples of what you can expect from each. Main Woodworking Plans Part 1 Project Compilation 1 Project Compilation 2 Big Book of Woodworking Plans Outdoor Furniture Plans Most Popular Collection Furniture Around the House Crafts and Fun Items The Outdoor Collection Starter Projects Woodworking Plans Part 2 An A to Z list of items to make Adirondack chairs, animals, barns, cabinets, carts, desks, doors, fences, etc. Guides, tips, and resources Woodworking Tips A guide to basic woodworking components and tools Important woodworking tools You need tools for the starting woodworker Basic joinery How to start a woodworking business Avoiding woodworking hazards Log homes Plan book View woodworking videos Hundreds of woodworking videos. Click the first link below to get TedsWoodworking for a discounted price now from the official website. Our verdict Ted's Woodworking Plans is the ultimate guide for learning how to build over 16,000 types of woodworking plans. It is designed for the average person who has no prior experience building. You don't need any expensive equipment or access to a woodworking club either. The plans are all broken down into simplified terms and instructions and use common tools that can be found at an affordable price at your local hardware store if you don't already have them. You even get 2 months to access the entire program and all 16,000 woodworking plans with the 60-day money-back guarantee. This is ample time to see just how easy the steps are and to start building a project or two. Best of all, this program teaches you important skills that can save you an abundance of money moving forward. Click the first link below to get TedsWoodworking for a discounted price now from the official website. You may even find that you like woodworking so much that you want to start a little business on the side. Either way, you have over 16,000 plans to get you started. My final recommendation is to pick Ted's Woodworking from its official website in the first link below, follow it up and then come back here again to let us know what you think about it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more useful content.